In this video tutorial, you will see how to paint text on road in Photoshop. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have taken a picture of the road. Now click on the horizontal type tool and click on over here, and right here I want to go place it here, and right here far away. Select this text. Let me reduce the size. Select this text, increase the size. Now select the move tool and select the text. Press Ctrl T and hold down the shift key, reduce the size and place it here. To add the arrow sign, go to rectangle tool, click on line tool, click on over here and click on the end sign and make the white 10 point. Hold down the shift key and draw it like this. Click on the move tool, press Ctrl T and increase the white and place it here like this. Now let me select the text layer and the rectangle layer. Press Ctrl G to group them together and click on right button and convert to smart object. Now select this layer, select the rectangle mark tool, select like this, go to edit and click on copy. Make the layer invisible and take a new layer. Press Ctrl D to unselect this area. Now go to filter, click on vanishing point and let me draw where I want to keep the text this way, and press Ctrl V to paste the copied text and place it over here. Press Ctrl T, hold down the shift key and keep the text like this, and here you will see this is looking good, and let me click on OK, and here you will see this is looking beautiful. Click on right button over this layer, go to blending option, click on the underlying layer, hold down the Alt sign and separate this and keep this one over here and keep this one like this, and here you will see the text has been changed. Click on OK. If you want to adjust, again click the move tool and place it like this, and you will see this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.